Good morning students. Today we will discuss exercise of chapter number 16 grammar, the preposition. Exercise, it's on page number 85. Part A, find out the preposition in the following sentences and write the noun or pronoun before which they are used. Here we have to identify where is preposition. I go to school on foot. Beta, in this question I have underlined the preposition. What is a preposition? Prepositions which shows the position of a noun or a pronoun. I go to school on foot. Foot is a noun here and on is a preposition. And we have to write down the preposition or a noun or pronoun, whatever used with that preposition. So foot we are using here and it's a noun. Next is the lion is sitting outside the den. So outside is telling the position of the den. The den is a noun here and outside is a preposition. So we have written here outside is a preposition and den is a noun. In next question, third part, I came back by evening. By is a preposition, okay, and I is a pronoun because here by is telling the position of I. I came back by evening. Next is I slept till 10 o'clock. Till is a preposition. Again I is a pronoun here. Fifth, I have been ill since last Monday. Since is a preposition and Monday is a noun because here we are telling the time. Here we are telling the day last Monday. So Monday is a noun. Clear? So I hope first question is clear. Now move to the next part, part B. Insert prepositions which are suitable. Republic Day is celebrated dash 26th January. So as we know, whenever we use the date, whenever we want to specify some date, then we will use on. Okay beta, for example, Gandhiji was born on 2nd of October. So we are using on here for to specify any date. Second is the vase is dash the table. As we know beta, in the chapter also the box is placed on the table. On preposition we use when one object is touching the other object. So same here, the vase is on the table. Vase is touching the surface of the table. So we will use preposition on. Third is I have been ill since a week. As you know about since and for, we use since and for in a present perfect continuous or a past perfect continuous or a future perfect continuous. And if we want to point out the time, okay, it tells us to point out the time, then we will use since. If we want to tell the period of time, then we will use for. So here we are pointing the time a week. So since we will use here, I believe dash God, in God. Fifth is distribute this money dash the poor people. Here we are specifying more than two people, the poor people, so we will use among here. Next is the servant was punished by his master. So we will use preposition by here. Next is we sat under a tree to rest. We sat under a tree to rest. Clear? Next is, this is different from that. We want to specify the difference between this and that, so we will use from. He does not agree with me. Beta, with agree we always use preposition with. Okay, so remember this point. Next 10th is she went dash take a bath in Gangas. So went to, where she went to. Next is a 11th, Tibet is dash the north of India. We want to tell the position in the north of India. Next is Sarita jumped into the river. Into why we have used here? Because when one person is going into the other other object or other surface into the surface of the other. For example, the cat jumped into the well. Okay. Next 13 is besides this I have many other things too. बेटा besides का मतलब क्या होता है? इसके अलावा. I have many other things too. मेरे पास और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. Besides means इसके अलावा. बेटा एक होता है beside जिसमें s नहीं यूज़ करते और एक होता है besides. Besides is a preposition and beside का क्या मतलब होता है? By the side of. For example, Ram is sitting beside Mohan. Beside Mohan मतलब मोहन के बिल्कुल by the side of he is sitting. Okay, so I hope difference between besides and beside, is it clear? I hope it is clear, beta. Now move to next part. It's part part C. Tick the correct alternative and fill the best suitable preposition in the blanks. First is alternatives options are given here. We have to choose the correct option. First is the dog ran after her. Ran after means उसके पीछे भागा. Okay. He rolled dash the hill. He rolled down the hill. Okay. Here we can use up and down also. Up is also the suitable preposition. Okay. Next is the jug is in the basket. In is the suitable preposition. C option is the correct one. She will return within a month. We want to specify the time. Within a month she will come back. Next, fifth is the cat sprang. Because with sprang we always use upon the table. The cat jumped upon the table. Table के ऊपर से उसने jump किया. Sharpen the pencil with a knife. With we want to sharp that pencil with other objects, so we will use with here. Next is we slept till 7 o'clock. हम 7 बजे तक सो जाते हैं. Till means up to this time we slept. Next is the goat found another goat dash it on the bridge. In front of it on the bridge. In front of का मतलब है उसके सामने. एक गोट ने दूसरे गोट को पाया. क्लियर बेटा? आई होप पार्ट A, B, C is it clear? I hope it is clear beta. Tell your answer from these solutions A, B, C part and try to do beta part D, E and F. We will discuss next part solutions tomorrow. Thank you so much beta and have a nice day.